Hello students, now we are solving the statistics. We are solving exercise 3.4. In that up to the third sum we have solved now sum number 4. First of all, we read the sum that use the way to find the median salary of employees in a firm. Lower limit, that means we have to find out the remaining part of the percentile. Here percentage is given, so we have to find out percentile. So we have to find out remaining parts. So 100 minus 20 comes 80. So we have to find out PAT and median. Right? Now PAT, that we have seen that how to calculate percentile when continuous series is given. Median, that we have not seen. So we see how to calculate median in this sum number 5 and sum number 4. So that is in homework. So now let's see the sum number 5. The following table shows the monthly expense for entertainment in a group of 100 students. That means n is equals to 100 is given. Find the median of this expense. Right? So now in this sum we know, we can see how to calculate median. Expenses are given and number of students are given. So now we write down these in a table. So see, I have written these expenses and frequency. Less than 200, 2 to 400, 400 to 6, 6 to 7, 78 and 800 and plus. Frequency is given. For to find out median for continuous series, we require only and only CF. So I have CF, 8th one, that is as it is, right? Then 28 plus 23, 31, 31 plus 47, 17, 88, 87, 95, 95 plus 100. So now we get n is equals to 100, which is given in the sum. That means our CF is correct. Now see here, for continuous series, first of all we find out median class, right? So first of all, median class is equals to n by 2th observation, and that is 100 upon 2. So median class is equals to which class we take. Here 50 comes, here frequency is also given, CF is also given, exact 50 value that is not given. So we just see this 50 number into the CF. Now where it falls in the 71, because here up to the 31 is included. Now further 31, next to 31, all the numbers are included in 71. So 50 also falls in this 71, right? So 71 CF's class, that is our median class. 71 CF का जो class आएगा, that is 400 to 600, that is our median class, right? This we require for this main formula. So this is our median class. Now we write down formula of the median. L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F multiplied by C. L means lower limit of this median class. So that is 400. So write down 400 plus n by 2, that is 100 by 2 minus CF is given. Now which CF we take? We have to take previous CF of the median class. Median class का जो previous class की जो CF होगी, that we take. We have taken 400 to 600 as our median class. So median class, previous class CF, that is our CF. So 31 upon frequency, we take median class frequency, that is our frequency. So that is 40. So here 40 multiplied by class interval. C means class interval. So 400, we take class interval of the median class only. Why? Because here class difference here on is unequal. So which class here? See, 200 gap, 200 gap, 200 gap. Now here gap of only 100. Here also gap of only means class interval is 100. Here we cannot estimate any class interval. So which class interval we take? That is confusing. So we take class interval of median class only. So that is 200. So multiply by 200, right? Now simplify this. So comes 95. So 400 plus 95. So that is our median. So median is equals to 495, right? So this is how you can calculate median. Now calculate median, say for the, by applying same method, calculate median for the sum number 4th also, right? So that's all for today. Sum number 4, that is in homework. Sum number 5th, that we have solved. So exercise 3.4, that is over here. Sum number 6, that is also in homework. That is also an easy sum. In that you have to prepare tally bar, you have to prepare frequency, but that's it. So in that you have to find out median by applying same method, right? So that's all for today. So good day everyone.